Hello guys, here is Carlos Branco and I'm back and I bring you something really special today. I believe some of you or maybe most of you watched my previous video about BNF trading strategy and we talk about Kyrie index and how this indicator is so good and allow you to find great opportunities to counter trend and basically trade the retracement. And if you don't watch this video, my advice for you is go to watch, because maybe you will not understand what I'm talking about here. But basically this indicator allows you to understand when the market moves too far away from the average price, and you can quantify that movement in a number and understand that maybe it's gonna have a reversal there. A lot of people ask me a lot of questions about this indicator and they couldn't find the indicator. They also ask me how it's possible to screen 500 shares per day. I don't have time for that. And me myself, I was trying this strategy and it was a nightmare. I remember to be looking to the charts like 3 hours, 4 hours to try to scan like the most traded 500 stocks of US, like S&P 500, and it was insane because I was wasting so much time. So what I decided to do is create a tool that's gonna help us with that. Introducing KyrieBull.com. It's a website that allows you to screen over 10,000 shares, forex and crypto pairs. Also, basically, you can come here and you can see a lot of information like ATR, highs, lows, open price, close price, average volume. If you are a guy that like to trade breakouts or resistance or support areas, you can use the Donchian channels. You can see the exponential moving average, and here is our lovely Kyrie relative index. You can head here, as you can see the Kyrie here. And the thing that, if you remember, we watched the trading strategy video, is the Kyrie index alone don't tell us anything. We need to understand what stocks have the Kyrie that is too high or too low. We have here the average high and the average low. Can put this. And if you want to filter, we can sort out filters. Let's say you can, for example, as you can see here, we have William Hart relative index. For example, let's say that you want to trade stocks that the RSI is above, compare with a numeric value, greater than 70. Okay, no problem. And as you can see, 479, 83, 90. And you can see that you can even order. You can come here, Kyrie relative index. You can order by descendant, and now you have you can see this stock here. This stock, the Kyrie level is 129. That is really high, and the average high is just 109. What that means, if the Kyrie is high, we can look for a retracement. So we can look for basically shorts. And as you I think you understand that when I make the video about the strategy. But what we should not do is we should not go and, okay, this stock, let me see what stock it is. Okay, Flora Growth Corp. Oh, okay, so we're gonna short it tomorrow. Then you short immediately and maybe the price keep going up. So what you should do is you want to short? Okay, no problem. You short it here. First of all, you need to put a stop loss. But you will not wait for your stop loss to get hit. If the price open here and you are going short and the price start to go like this and start to build up and breaking structure to the top, you're gonna close your trade immediately. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna wait for the price to come back down, and if breaks here, okay, maybe you go short again. And maybe the price will go like this, or maybe the price will trick you, and this happen a lot. And what happened when the price trick you? The price will do something like this, and whoa, too bad. And what you do? You close immediately. So what you want to have is you want to have small losses. When you have a win, you want to have a big win. So to help you even more, here you can see the charts, and For example, if you want to see the exponential, the simple moving average, let's see the 25 periods. We can draw it here. As you can see that it's really far away. So there is a chance that we're gonna have a small retracement here, and you can try to find a short to trade there. But I also made this. It's basically a way to filter really fast what you can see here. Let's start through. Are the worst performing stocks of the today, 5 days, 1 year, etc. Winners, the best performing stocks. You have here Williams R, crossovers, cross belows, etc. You can see here, for example, what cross above the -20, cross below the -80, RSI, cross from today, so you can trade this tomorrow. You can see golden cross, death cross, that this is really famous in the crosses, which really means a big shift in the market. And crosses of the 100, 200, 9 and 20 moving average up and down. And here our beautiful Kyrie relative index. You can see Kyrie's where the price is above the 25 average. You have here a lot of stocks where the price, the Kyrie index is 12 and the average high is 9. When you see a 0 here, you should ignore this stock because it means that the stock is kind of new and don't have enough information. And you can see here you have a lot of opportunities, but you should follow rules. You should not immediately go and because a lot of people told me, Carlos, but I open a short and the price keep going up and hit my stop loss. Okay, but are you cutting your losses fast? How you want your charts? If this is your equity, let's say this is time. This is something that took me a lot of time to understand. And this is your account. This is how you want your account to look like. It should go up and down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So you want big wins, small loss, small loss, small loss, small loss, small loss, big win, small loss, small loss, small loss, small loss, big win, small loss, small loss, small loss, big win, small win maybe, big win, small loss, small loss, small loss, small loss, small loss. Maybe you have a hard time here, and you have like 20 trades that are really bad, and then you have some big wins, and this is how you want your account to go. So you want to go slowly, slowly, slowly up, slowly up. You don't want to have this kind of gains, and then the next day you crash like people trading really crazy options and stuff like that. As you can see here, this tool I think really gonna help a lot of people. You have breakouts, Donchian channel breakouts. You have all these the same information for forex and other markets. And here is something special I did. That is a AI algo that was trained with 4.5 years of data. And as you can see, I've been running this algo. And sometimes they give you just one trade, sometimes don't give you any trade, like this day here. And basically the AI gonna tell us go short or go long. And of course you need to use a stop loss. So I've been testing this with a stop loss of 1%, or you can use also 1 ATR. And when I mean 1% is 1% price movement, is not 1% of your account, you understand? So as you can see here, it's working phenomenally well. I mean, I don't expect this to go like it's insane. Like day 14, we get like to 11 wins and 1 loss, I believe. And this is the trade, the trades that the AI is suggesting for tomorrow. So if you want to take a look on that, it's all yours. So here we have our Kyrie index. I think this tool gonna help you a lot, and is a paid tool, but is extremely cheap, like the price of a Starbucks per month, so $4. And if you want, you can buy a special price now. For a lifetime, it's just $62. I think is not a lot for a tool that is updated every day, and it can allow you to save tons of time, even if you don't use the Kyrie index. You can use so many combinations of filters and information, and of course I'm gonna update it in the future, and I'm gonna bring you more and more tools and indicators you can use here. and for $62 the lifetime, or $4 per month if you buy the annual subscription, I think have a really good value. So guys, I hope you like this video. See you on the next one.